Alright, what's good, y'all? So we're just gonna get straight into this video so I could go back to filming my hair video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I get my color eyebrows, because every time I wear red hair, I wear red eyebrows to go with it because it looks crazy if I don't and good if I do. Okay, I'm working on an eyebrow tutorial right now and I was gonna film it today, but I decided to just do this one instead because I feel like it'd be fun. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. All you're gonna need is a lipstick. You don't have to use this. You can also get eyeshadow. I make sure it's a matte one. I have a matte one. This is literally from the hair store, y'all. Probably about $2, okay? Because I only use it for my eyebrows. But this is a brand new one. Forget the color of the hair. That don't matter. Red is red. Like, this is supposed to be 99J, but it looks red. So make sure, you just want to make sure the red is gonna look good on your skin. That's the real issue. Make sure it's like a dark enough red, not no clown bright red. And I've tried to get a darkish deep red color. On camera it looks like a bright clown red, but I promise it's not. And even if it is, it's okay because you can darken it. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. We're gonna start with this makeup. This is all we're gonna use for now, and I'm gonna say the rest of the stuff as we go on. So to apply it, you're gonna use a brush. You can put it on like this, but I don't recommend that because it's just gonna have like a lot of buildup, like an easy transfer, because it's going to be a bunch of lipstick on your eyebrow. So I'm using a brush like this. It's not an eyebrow brush. It's a kind of fluffy, kind of skinny eyeshadow brush. What you want to do is make sure your eyebrows are brushed into place, because when you do color eyebrows, or at least when I do them, I don't do much brushing after the color because I don't like to get my eyebrow spoolies dirty. We got a little bit of lipstick on the end of our brush, you know, nothing too crazy. I just dabbed it. And then we're going to tap that into the ends. I'm kind of doing like mini strokes, pretty much. So I'm gonna just keep doing that. This is how I get it off. And then I do like mini strokes on my eyebrow. And if you have dark hair like me and you're not blonde or anything crazy like that, it's gonna look a little darker, which is okay. That's good. You don't want it looking too bright and clownish. My eyebrows are shaped. Y'all always say I have perfect eyebrows naturally, so you can see I'm not doing like sharp lines or nothing. It's because my eyebrows are already shaped, so I don't have to line it. But if your eyebrows aren't shaped for whatever reason, just do the same eyebrow technique and line the top like this with your little strokes and go to your tail, and then line the bottom and go to the tail, and then fill in the entire thing in the middle. This is the same technique, but I feel like you could be a little messier just because it's color and it's not too dark or anything. We're gonna take this all the way up here. This is actually darker than I thought it would be. So you can see lipstick has turned my eyebrow red. On camera it looks super duper red. We have a palette that has a bright red right here. This is BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette that I never used before. And I'm gonna take the same brush and just lightly dust some, and then put all of that on just the center, just where my eyebrow hairs are poking through and they're too dark, because I don't want eyebrow hairs poking through. But you also don't want to cover all your eyebrow hairs because then it looks unnatural, like a tattoo eyebrow, and that's not cute. It's not cute, girl. So yeah, this is how I like mine to look. On camera, I'm telling y'all, this looks so bright. In person, this is like a maroon color. Okay, so yeah, then the last part, I'm just taking that same powder and just bringing it all the way up. Don't go past your natural brow. And then I still see some dark eyebrow hairs right here, so I'm taking more powder and I'm gonna tap it in because tapping allows it to just sit on the surface a little better. There it is, my eyebrow. I'm going to blend this out now. I know I don't really do it like other people who do color eyebrows because they like to do like an ombre where there's like a light pink in the front. Like, no, I'm not doing all that, okay? I'm sorry if that's what you're expecting. But if you like how this looks, then I don't think you need all that. I'm only showing y'all one brow because this one is covered by my swoop bang, and I'll just rather do it off camera to do it quicker. So I'm gonna line this eyebrow now with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. This is the part that defines the whole thing because you know it's gonna start looking good now. Line your natural eyebrow wherever shape you want it to be. I recommend having your eyebrows done like I said already because it just makes it 10 times easier. So I'm just following my natural brow shape because it's shaped already. there's my brow lines, and I'm just gonna do the same thing to the top. And yeah, it looks good. I was gonna do a slit brow like this, but I think I'm not going to no more because I ended up doing like a girly hairstyle, and the slit brow was more like, you know, I don't think it goes with this hairstyle. If I was doing like my middle part like usually, I think I could have got away with it, but today I'm not thinking it's gonna slide, so we're just gonna leave it like this. And this is how my eyebrow is looking. Of course, it looks perfect because my hair's red as well. So the last step, of course, is to blend out your concealer. Usually it's coming from the other side, over here too. So you blend in the middle first, but since we don't have that yet, we're just gonna do top and bottom. You're gonna need to be a little more careful than regular eyebrows because these are more prone to transfer just because you use powder and lipstick that doesn't belong up here and it's from the hair store. So it's gonna transfer if you touch it too much. So you just wanna make sure you're not touching the red at all or whatever color you're doing. Okay, so this is one of my eyebrows done. I'm gonna do the other one and then I'm gonna come right back so y'all can see how it looks with a full face of makeup. All right, y'all, so this is how I'm looking. Fine as fuck. I know. Let me stop. I love when I have red hair. I have to color my eyebrows red when I have red hair. It's just a must for me. You can see why. Okay, it completed my look, brought it together. And now I'm finna go take some bomb ass pictures because I'm coordinated, period. I hope this was useful for y'all. I don't know. I hope my instructions were clear. Y'all say I'm good at explaining, so I hope that's true for this video too. And of course, my look would not be complete without this hair. So if y'all are interested in like this whole total look, I have a video on this hair. So go check out the video on this hair if you guys want to see how I got it styled like this, because I showed all of the steps to get it just like this. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. I don't know if you could tell, but it's giving very much cherry on top. If y'all want to see my pictures that I'm finna take, go follow me on Instagram at itsprettym. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang so you can be a pretty gangster, okay? Because this is how we look over here. And hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. And definitely be ready for more beauty videos because that's what we're finna get into. I have a bunch of lifestyle beauty videos filmed already. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Love you, bye.